This is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom placeholder for your GoHighLevel form for the address field actually. Okay, so GoHighLevel already added one of the most wanted features for their form address field, okay, which is the autocomplete form. When you type an address, then it will automatically suggest you the related address, and by clicking that, all the field will automatically complete it. Okay, so the problem is it by default saying a source address, okay, but sometimes you may need to add the custom label, like here is the one, okay, for example, enter your address, okay. This is the placeholder actually we customized, but by default it has the source address. Okay, let me show you. Visit. So when you enable the autocomplete address field, okay, then it will show like this. Okay, so we want to just replace this source address to something customized. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. Here into the GHL Code Snippets library, we have an element, okay, like we called GHL autocomplete address custom placeholder. Okay, so let me go to the code binder. Okay, so now here you just type anything you want to put as a placeholder. Okay, for this example, I'm going to say enter your address, okay, which actually replace the source address, this placeholder. Okay, so let me grab the code. Okay, you can put anything you want, okay, but in this case, I'm going to keep the default one. So once I select the domain, then it will generate the code. Let me just copy the code by clicking this button and then go back to the form. Okay, the page. Okay, here is the page. I just added the form. Now just get the HTML and JavaScript code element option. Yeah, this one, and then just open the editor. Let me delete the previous code and then paste the new one that I just copied. Okay, save it, publish. Okay, so one more thing, you need to make sure that once you grab the code, then you make sure you've selected the correct domain. Okay, and you're just using the same domain into the page builder. Okay, so let me preview this now. So yeah, you can see instead of source address, it's saying enter your address. But this way you can actually customize the placeholder for your autocomplete address. Okay, so now if I want to search any address, let me for new year. Okay, yeah, so this is working. You can see everything is working just fine. Okay, so this is how you can put the custom placeholder for your autocomplete address. Hope you get the idea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.